Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new setup. What do you guys think? I have a new addition to my plant family and I really want to give it a name. I feel like it'll help it live longer than my last one did. So if you guys have any suggestions, please comment them down below and maybe we can come up with a name together. But I've been getting so many requests to share some more fall hairstyles, so I thought I would throw on my favorite turtleneck and share some hairstyles that are not only on trend, but most importantly, really easy to do. So I'm gonna turn around and let's get started. So first up is a textured half up hairstyle. So just loosely gather all of the hair at the crown of your head and then secure it together in the middle with about 2 to 3 bobby pins. Next, pinch and pull on small sections, and this will help add volume and create that textured look, which is right on trend for fall. Next, roughly gather all of the hair on the right side of your head. I'm leaving out my bangs and just enough hair to cover my ears. This will help create a more effortless appearance. Now begin loosely twisting that entire section away from your face, so counterclockwise. And then begin pinching and pulling on the twists. You want to pull the top, the sides, little pieces, larger pieces. You just really want the twist to become loosened and effortless looking. Now, I will admit I do tend to go overboard, so feel free to stop whenever you prefer. All right. Pull your beautiful twist across the back of your head, covering those bobby pins, and then just tightly secure it by crossing 2 bobby pins over one another just to the left of the center. And then repeat the same steps on the left side, twisting your section away from your face, so this time clockwise. Once you've pinched and pulled it, bring it across the back over top of our previous twist, and then pin your ends underneath that twist, and then pull your ends down and behind, and this will help you conceal your bobby pins. And there you have it, so quick and effortless, and I feel like this hairstyle would be the perfect Thanksgiving hairstyle. I love this next one. It's so simple and unique. So loosely gather all of your hair into a ponytail wherever you want your bun to sit. And then take a piece of ribbon or a scarf. I feel like velvet would be so pretty for fall. And just pull it through your elastic until both sides are even. And then we're going to braid our ponytail. So divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections. And we're just going to use our ribbon as our 3rd strand. All right, so create a 3-strand braid down your entire ponytail by crossing the outside sections over the middle. And once you're done, just gently pinch and pull on the outside of your braid to fan it out. This will also help your bun appear more intricate. Then secure your ends and ribbon together with a small hair elastic and just begin tightly wrapping it clockwise around your ponytail to make a little bun. Also, anyone else bothered by that hair sticking out on the left side of my head? I'm so sorry. Now, if you want your ribbon to peek at the bottom, which I think is so cute, you'll just want to play around with your bun so that your ends end up at the bottom of it. That way your ribbon can peek out. So once you're happy with it, bobby pin your ends into place first underneath your bun, and then just continue pinning around your bun until it's secure. And you guys, these long bobby pins that I'm using are seriously life-changing. They're so much stronger and secure compared to regular bobby pins. I'm amazed, and I will link them down below. I love this. I just think it's so cute. I love the detail of the ribbon peeking out the bottom. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. So you guys know I love a good textured ponytail, so of course I had to include one. So just section off the sides of your hair on both sides of your head by tracing from the back of your part to the back of your ear, and then just place them out of the way. Next, create a low ponytail. Now I attached 2 bobby pins onto a hair elastic, and I inserted one just above my ponytail, and then I wrapped the other one very tightly around my ponytail and then inserted it underneath. I like this technique a lot because it makes your ponytail very tight. It'll keep it nice and perky. And when you pinch and pull on that top section around your crown, it just really helps to add that extra volume and texture. All right,
time to transform the simple ponytail. Grab your side sections and just tie them together above your ponytail. So cross that right section over the left and then bring that left section up and pull it through. So this is the same step as the first step of tying your shoe. So just hold them together underneath your ponytail and then begin pulling on the knot to help it stand out. This will give it that nice textured look and helps to make it appear more detailed than it actually is. Then secure those ends together underneath your ponytail with bobby pins or a small elastic. And then for that extra perkiness, just go ahead and add your favorite texture spray. So what do you think? It's such an easy way to switch up your ponytail, and I think this hairstyle would be so perfect for every day and for work.
So there we have it, you guys. I would love to know what you thought and which hairstyle was your favorite. I'd have to pick, okay, I love the bun with the ribbon, but I also love this ponytail. It's just so quick, so easy to do, and it looks really cute. But I really hope you guys like this new setup. I'm feeling so much more inspired. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to do it. So I'd love to know what type of content you guys would like to see from me, and I'd also like to know what type of content do you guys like to watch on YouTube. But I really hope that you guys liked today's video. I'm really looking forward to just sitting down and chatting with you guys more. So can't wait to hear your feedback, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.